Hello everyone, hope you are having a great day. Myself Ashish, I'm a leader of SIH Group AI Ignition, and we have created an AI based UFDR tool analysis. This is the project and it comes under the SIH 25198. So let me just introduce you to this tool. So introducing AI based UFDR tool analysis, an intelligent agent that instantly reads UFDR files and allows users officer to search for particular information within minutes. So how it works is that we have developed a small language model that is being uploaded on a Hugging Face server. This small language model is called Microsoft Phi 3. So this is where the natural language processing occurs on the UFDR SLM server, and the backend connects the UFDR SLM server to the front end part of the AI powered UFDR tool analysis. So let me just go through how many files do we have in the UFDR tool analysis, and in the backend part we have two mock UFDR zips. So one by one we are going to process them, and we'll see how the AI is going to affect these files and how is it helping in producing the report of these files. So first of all, I am using a mock UFDR first one. So now when I click on upload and analyze, it will upload this file to the UFDR server. So let's do this. So it is processing, and within minutes it has been uploaded. Now I can ask questions about this report. So let me just ask about the summary. Tell me about the summary of the report, and once I send it, what it is going to do is the backend is going to connect this thing as well as the file report to the Phi 3, the SLM model, and it is going to return me the answer. So the report that is being generated is getting converted into a database, and the AI is getting the database and is processing my query at this point. So it is saying waking up the AI, it may take a minute. So let's just take a minute. So as you can see, all the processes are being running on the back end right now. As you can see, the LLMs are being connected, and within few seconds this will be done. So let me just walk you through the 5 mini. What the 5 mini does is it takes the query, and we have converted our the report file into a database using FAISS and SQLite, and that database is then is being used by the UFDR SLM server to find the answer. And just within a minute, because of the resource limitation, we are running this on the free tier services, so that's why this is taking a long time. And in this, as you can see, uh, it told us the summary of the report as whole. So let's just analyze it. Alice has received a package containing crypto. So this is basically what's going on that report. So let's say I don't have one report, I have several reports. Let me just get the Dave's contact number. Give me the John Doe's contact information. When I send it, so this is gonna send a query to the SLM server, and the SLM server is going to analyze the database created on FAISS, and it is going to send the answer back to the front end. Now because of the free resource limitation, this is taking a lot of time, but if we have a better resource planning, this will take within seconds. And also we are using a small language model, not a large language model. So sometimes the answer will be a walk, but it works. For example, here the John Doe's contact information, here the name is John Doe, and we can see it successfully provides you the information. So let's just try to upload a second UFDR file. So these two have different architecture. The files have different architecture, and I'm gonna ask the same questions. Provide me the summary. provide me the summary. Wait a minute. Summary of the report, and I send it, and this will take a few minutes because of this resource limitations. As you can see, that it is creating and saving the FAISS index, and it is loading the API from the server. So this will just take few minutes, and the answer will be within us. Let me just walk you through the mock FTR B, what it is. So this is the mock report B file at this point. So it is an XML file. I have converted this into a zip file, and I am asking questions on these things. So these are the SMSs and these are the directions. So let's just go back. So this is the summary that it provides. The summary of the report is that the deal has been confirmed and the funds are being transferred to the cryptocurrency account. So this is basically working very good as such. So this is all we have. So it is built on a small language model, Microsoft 5 Mini, which is uploaded on Hugging Face, as I've said before. And the officer needs to upload a standard UFDR zip file and our backend processes the complex XML or zip file and builds a searchable knowledge base. Now, instead of digging through files, officer can ask a direct question to the artificial intelligence. As you can see, the impact is very clear. It reduces the investigating time from weeks to minutes. So thank you so much, and that's it.